If you're watching this, chances are you've either borrowed money you couldn't repay, or know someone who has. But what if I told you, the reason most people stay poor isn't just about lack of money, it's habits that look normal, even smart, but are silently destroying your wealth. And the shocking part? These habits were imported. And now they're spreading across Africa faster than the internet. Number 1. Global habits that keep you broke. Let's start in America, the land of opportunity, but also the land of credit card debt. Bar chart stat. Average credit card debt per household in the US is over $6,000. Shopping bags, buying things you don't need with money you don't have, to impress people you don't like. Credit card buy now, pay later culture is now normalized, even for a $20 meal. Next stop, Canada. Bar chart. Canadian households owe $1.84 for every $1 of disposable income. That means, if they earn $1,000, they owe $1,840. Yet, the malls are full, Amazon is booming, and payday lenders are growing faster than banks. Now, Australia and the UK. Australia's average household debt is over 250,000 Australian dollars, among the world's highest. In the UK, over 9 million people are in serious debt, but financial education is optional in most schools. Brain, what do all these have in common? They've normalized living beyond their means. They've turned debt into a lifestyle. And now, number 2, the import to Africa. This is where the story takes a dark turn. Across Africa, from Nigeria to Kenya to Ghana, a silent invasion is happening. Buy now, pay later platforms are rising. Loan apps offer you 50,000 Nigerian nairas in seconds, and ruin your credit in minutes. Young Africans are now borrowing to look rich instead of building wealth. Direct hit plot twist. These habits, overspending, debt culture, fake wealth, didn't originate here. They were imported from high-income countries, disguised as freedom and modern lifestyle. And just like colonization, it started small and spread fast. We traded our grandparents' cash-only discipline for credit card fantasies. Number 3, the deeper problem. You see, poverty isn't just a lack of money. It's a mindset trained by media, influenced by trends, and weaponized by global consumerism. Ask yourself, why are spend now ads louder than save now advice? Why are we taught to pass exams, but not how to manage money? Why do we chase soft life before we build a stable life? Chart decreasing. Real talk. Only 33% of adults worldwide are financially literate. In sub-Saharan Africa, it's less than 25%. And the biggest irony? Poor people work the hardest. But without the right money habits, they stay poor the longest. Cliffhanger / part 4 tease. But what if I told you? There's one ancient African money habit that could reverse this global debt trap. And it's something most high RPM countries are now trying to relearn? That's what we'll uncover in the next video. The lost African wealth secret, and why the West wants it back. Speech balloon CTA. Call to action. Have you ever bought something you couldn't afford, just to fit in? Be honest. Drop it in the comments. Let's talk. Bellhop bell, subscribe for the next episode. You're one money habit away from changing your future.